Howdy folks, how's it going? I'm here walking along on the island of Kauai in Hawaii on my way to a couple of waterfalls. I've been there before, they're really sweet. Just a little ways up ahead, then I will be making a turn onto a side road. You walk down that a little ways and then you come to a trail, you walk down that, and then you're fully in the Hawaiian rainforest, and pretty soon you come to the first waterfall. And then after that, then it's a pretty long hike through the rainforest to get to the second one. So it's going to be a fun little adventure here. I'm coming up to that turn pretty soon, so feel free to come along for the fun. All right. So here I am at the turnoff to go down to the waterfalls, Kauai Road. This area is called Kauai. It is up above the town of Kapa'a on Kauai, and the road that I came up to get here is called Kauai Road. I actually hitchhiked up part of the road and then got dropped off around where I started this video and then walked the rest of the way up here. That was probably a good mile or so walk up to here, so I'd say it's about 2 to 3 miles up Kauai Road, which starts at the north end of Kapa'a from the main highway. So here we go, gonna head down Kauai Road here. It's a fairly short walk down this way, and then I'll get to the trail going down to the waterfall. Or the waterfalls, 2 of them. The first one is called Hopi Falls, or actually it's Ho'opii, because you pronounce all of the vowels in the Hawaiian language. So it's Hoopii. That's the first one, and I forget what the second one is called. Check out this stunning view along the way. Incredibly green and lush, as you can see. Kauai is known as the Garden Isle, and for good reason. So I'm basically going to be taking a trail that goes down into that valley straight ahead there, through those trees, so definitely going to be awesome. At the trail that goes down to the waterfalls, it's pretty concealed, so pretty easy to miss. It's only about maybe a quarter mile down Kauai Road. That's it. Just look for that truck, I guess. Action Electric. The road ends, so you can't go too much further past it anyway. So just look for a parking spot, head on down the trail. Getting a bit deeper into the rainforest here. What a scene. This is going to be a fun hike through the rainforest. The other waterfall is pretty close up ahead, and then it will be a longer hike through the jungle here to get to the second one. And check it out, here's the river that leads down to the waterfall. It's just a very short ways from here. So up ahead is the trail that goes to the second waterfall. And then you just take a little route along the creek there to get to the first one. These paths are definitely muddy. My sandals are sticking here. So straight ahead here is the trail that goes to the second waterfall. I'll take that one in a little bit. First, gonna take this path down to Hopi Falls, or Ho'opii. Oop. And coming up to the waterfalls. Looks like I'm not the only one here. Quite an idyllic scene. All right, I think it's time for me to jump in that water. Alright, well that was a blast. Now off to the next waterfall. That one I won't be jumping in though, or jumping off of, because, well, you see it's not jumpable, but it is gorgeous. Pretty awesome. Deep in the Hawaiian jungle. Fortunately, no animals you have to worry about, other than some poisonous centipedes, which are a species that is from Southeast Asia, I believe. And they're these massive centipedes that, if they bite you, it definitely hurts pretty bad. It's not, not lethal or anything. Most likely just a bad sting. I got bit by one once before, and it hurt pretty bad, but it wasn't the end of the world. Painful for an hour or something, and that was it. But other than that, things are pretty safe around here. Check out this scene. Man, the greenery is amazing. It's like a fairy tale landscape or something. Alright, so I think I'm coming to the other waterfall up ahead here. It wasn't as far of a walk as I had remembered. Maybe because I got lost on the way here when I came here before. But it is a awesome view from what I remember from the top. So I think I can hear the waterfall up ahead. Here we go. Check out this view. Oh yeah. That is an epic one. I don't think I'll be jumping off the top of that waterfall. Bit of a hard landing. But I was just talking to a guy that I met a couple of days ago over at the hostel, who said that he managed to get down to the bottom of this waterfall and then use that rope swing out there to jump into the water. So I'm going to go around the left-hand side here, see if there's a safe way to get down there. We'll see. And see if I can take a dip in there. But Anyways, definitely a spectacular view. Alright, so I'm here on the other side of the creek, on the far side of the waterfall from where I was over there. And this is where a guy had told me that you can get down by kind of scrambling down the slope and the vines and everything. And so I'm going to give it a try. Going to be safe about it, you know, to see if it can work. Get around the street here, get over to that other side where it's less of a drop off, and see if it works and I can get down to that water pool there. Alright, I think this is going to work. I just have this one spot to get down these rocks. Not too treacherous. And importantly, it won't be too tough to get back up, it looks like, because there's kind of steps there. There we go. Alright, I think I'm going to make it. Alright, thanks a lot for watching my Hawaiian rainforest adventure. Feel free to subscribe to my channel here to follow my upcoming adventures. Aloha!